It takes 12 to 16 hours to plan a trip. You do the stuff that you want to do, and then the stuff you don't want to do, you bring it over to me and I'll do it for you.
I want my clients to feel like they really don't have to worry about anything. I feel like I talk to my clients so much that in a way I become their travel best friend.
I want them to feel like everything was planned perfectly. We tailor your trip to you.
We have the tools, we have the skills, we have the resources and partners in the industry to make any trip incredible.
It really sets travel advisors apart when they want to be a part of someone's life. I get to see them truly experience what they wanted from the trip to begin with. Creating the memories, I get the pictures, I get to be a part of that with them. That's my favorite part.